Right now we're at Betty's Pies and Tarts, located on Highway 2 in between Port Hope and Cobourg. Very busy road. We've got the best butter tarts that just won at the Royal Winter Fair. The butter tart has really come into focus lately. The butter tart is truly a Canadian experience. They don't make butter tarts in the States, so it really is a real Canadian thing. There is a Kawartha butter tart tour. They do their own competition of a butter tart taste-off. There's a few other ones in Ontario, and of course the Royal Winter Fair. So there is quite a bit of exposure for butter tarts right now. A lot of people prefer the nuts in them or raisins. I am an anti-raisin person. That's because I don't love raisins, and I just like the pure, plain, nothing in it butter tart. Our busiest time of the year usually is May right through till the end of December. We have everybody on vacation, people going just through for the day, through the county. Everybody comes by. Everything? So we really hope to continue our butter tart winning at any competition that we can go to. We think that we have the best tarts for sure, but we hope that other people think so too.